Making money with AI sounds complicated, but it's actually easier than most people think. In this video, I'm going to show you real ways beginners are making money using AI tools right now. Hi, I'm Ava, and on this channel, I show you AI tools that can actually make you money. And the best part is, most of these require no experience, and some are completely free to start. The first way to make money with AI is using AI voice generators. You can use tools like ElevenLabs to create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and more. People are getting paid to create voiceovers without ever using their real voice. The second way is AI writing. Businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and social media content. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to create this content and get paid on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. The third way is YouTube automation. This is where you use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and create videos. You don't need to film yourself, and you can build a YouTube channel using mostly AI tools. Another way people are making money is with AI images. You can create logos, thumbnails, social media posts, and sell them as a service or digital products online. If you want to start making money with AI, the tools I talked about are in the description below. And if you want more videos on AI tools that actually make money, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.